I'm Dudley Harris. I'd like to invite you to my 2017 Pottery Studio Open House at my home studio, 219 Palo Grande here in San Antonio. The dates are going to be December 2, 9, and 10. I work on the potter's wheel with stoneware and porcelain clay. I make pottery that's useful and good to use. It's safe for food, microwave, and dishwasher. Bowls are my specialty, and my pottery style and glazes reflect my study of Japanese folk pottery. I make one kind of bowl that is unique. It's the Japanese drinking bowl. These drinking bowls have been used for serving champagne, wine, and even water at weddings and parties. The guests get to keep the bowls and take them home. This year, I'll be demonstrating throwing on the wheel, and I'll be giving tours of my glaze studio and my kiln. Please drop by my studio and help me celebrate another year of making.